Okay, boys and girls, so I'm going to show you today how and where to submit your expressive narrative project. Now, remember, although today is Wednesday, it is not officially due today unless you want extra credit. It is due Friday. It should be submitted Friday by 3:30. Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways to submit and upload this project because I know some of you are using Microsoft Word, the online version, and some of you are using Word, the desktop version. And so understand that there is obviously a difference between the two. They're very similar, but obviously the online version automatically saves and syncs to like an online cloud, an online storage space, and your desktop version you have to save on your own and will be saved onto your computer or in a specific file, or excuse me, specific folder on your computer. Okay, so I'm going to show you first where I want this and how I want this uploaded if you are using Microsoft Word online. So on your screen, you see an example paper. At the top, it says Expressive Narrative Project. And what we're first going to do is we're going to click Share. I'd like you to click the arrow here and go ahead and click just people in Phoenix Union, right? You don't want this link getting out to anyone else. It won't, but you just to be safe, click people in Phoenix Union and then also click allow editing. What that does, it allows me to make comments on your paper. If you don't click this link, I won't be able to make comments on your paper. I won't change anything, but I will be able to make comments there. So once you've done this and you've clicked allow editing, go ahead and click apply. And then you're going to come down and click copy link. Your link is automatically copied, and from here you're able to now go and insert it into a page that we've already have set up in Microsoft Teams. So we're going to go from here with our link already copied. We're going to go to Microsoft Teams, our Teams page. You see that we're in period 4, Mr. Arenas. You're going to go to class notebook like we always do. And for this example, I'm going to use Andrew. Let's just pretend Andrew is ready to turn in his paper today, and I'm going to submit it in the correct spot for Andrew. Okay, so I'm going to click Andrew, and then I'm going to go to Intro Unit. And then from here, I'm going to click over on this page called Expressive Project Rubric. Once you're at this page, you'll see that there is the rubric here for the writing that you just completed. And so what I'd like you to do is scroll to the bottom. Go ahead and hit your cursor at the bottom so it's blinking here. You see my cursor here. Okay, you want to go to Insert. You're going to click Link. And you're going to press Control V to paste that link that we just copied from Word Online. Now in the display text, I need you to type your first and last name. Sorry, Andrew, I don't know your last name. We'll just say Andrew last name. And then Expressive Project Final Draft. Okay. And then you're going to click Insert. Okay. From here, if I click this link, now I'm able to open this document right here. You see that it opened over here. It populated an online window for me. And now I have access to Andrew's paper. Okay. So that's one way if you're using Microsoft Online. Now, if you are using Microsoft, the desktop app, it's very similar process. Okay. What I'd like you to do is, again, you're going to go to Insert, but this time, instead of inserting a link, you're going to insert a file. Okay. And I want you to click Insert File Printout because that's what shows it as like a picture. Okay. So go ahead and click Insert File Printout. It's going to ask you to go ahead and find that file wherever you have it saved on your desktop. So I'm going to go to Choose File. I know that I have this saved in my English 7-8 folder. And it's in the Expressive Project folder here. And I'm just going to click Student Example as practice for you guys. So I click OK. And I click Insert. And there it is. Okay, it's going to populate. And now what I have is a picture of the essay, okay, and I also have the document. So what I'm able to do now is I'm able to click this document, open it up, and read your paper that way. So remember, guys, this is how and where you will be submitting your expressive project assignment. There's two ways to do it. One way, if you're using an online Word platform, The other way is if you're using the desktop Word application. So if you have questions, please ask, but this is how you submit your expressive narrative project. I hope this was helpful.